So like any other vehicle that comes into our care, we like to start with the inside first because usually it tends to be the dirtiest and takes the most time. So we like to get that out of the way, then finish out with the outside, which is usually the quickest. The important thing really about maintaining and keeping up with your vehicle is, one, it keeps its value throughout the time you have it. Oftentimes we get away with, detailing your vehicle maybe once a year, or maybe most people's cases really never. So when it's time to turn in your vehicle, trade it, sell it, whatever the case may be, you now lose value because it is so unkempt and ill-maintained. So then when it's time to get rid of your vehicle, sell it, trade it, whatever you put in that blank, whoever you're offering it to can now bite you on the price because it just doesn't look as presentable as it would if you were keeping up with it. So what exactly is maintaining your vehicle? Why is it so important, and why do you need to do it? So maintaining your vehicle is important to not only keep it looking like new, but to protect it from harsh elements that you'll encounter on the road. This will also ensure that you are getting a proper and safe wash each and every time to help prevent scratches, swirls, and any other paint defects that may occur during improper washing methods. Our goal for the vehicles in Edmond, Oklahoma is to offer a maintenance plan that will keep your vehicle clean, protected, and glossy for years to come to ensure you get the most out of your investment. So now you might be asking yourself, so what's the difference between a car wash plan versus maintenance detailing plans? So the number one question most people often ask is, why do I even need to pay X amount for a maintenance detail when I can just go to my local car wash and pay X amount less to wash my car an unlimited amount of times? This is a great question, and the honest answer is you don't. Maintenance detailing isn't for everyone, and it's definitely not required for any vehicle. However, there are quite a few major differences between car wash maintenance plans and detailing maintenance plans. To address the most important differences that you will not get at a car wash is, first off, proper, if any, bug and tar removal, rim and tire cleaning, a safe and scratch-free wash, and the minor details such as emblem cleaning, wheel well cleaning, and all the little cracks that the car wash just cannot get. But why does this even matter? If you care about your vehicle and you want it to last as long as possible to get every penny out of your investment, you're going to want to set up a maintenance detailing plan. And if all these areas are not addressed properly, as they aren't at the car wash, your vehicle will end up caking up tons of contaminants in these areas, which will eat away at the clear coat of the paint and or the rims, and will eventually leave etching, clear coat failure, clear coat damage, and once you get to the point of clear coat failure, the car will begin to lose the paint and rust in those sections. And once you get to that point, there is no turning back. You're going to have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get your vehicle's paint back to like new. So if maintenance detailing sounds right for you and your vehicle, our maintenance package can be scheduled from weekly, bi-weekly, monthly to bi-monthly. Or if none of those options work for you, we can custom make a plan that works best for you and your vehicle's needs. To qualify for this plan, you will need to first have us service your vehicle with our full interior detail or our wash and wax packages. This will allow us to complete all the prep work needed to restore your vehicle back to the like-new condition it once had, and get it looking as good as this beautiful Porsche. So as always, if you have any questions regarding our maintenance detailing package, our ceramic coatings, our paint correction, or basic auto detailing packages, feel free to contact us with the information provided in the description box below, and we'll be glad to have a conversation with you and help you out in any way we're able to. And of course, as always, thank you. God bless.